Today I'm going to make my sister's recipe for Pico de Gallo. Now I have always made salsa and pureed it, and it did not have lime in it. But when she makes it, she dices everything and adds lime, and it's fantastic. It's the only way I make it now. So I gotta give her props. This is her recipe. We're gonna go ahead and make Pico de Gallo using tomatoes, a lime, cilantro, jalapenos, garlic, and red onion. So I'm going to cut the tomatoes and then I will be putting them in the strainer and the bowl to catch the juices, because I don't really want this to be like a liquidy type of Pico de Gallo or salsa. I just want it to be all of the fresh ingredients and more chunky. Okay, I'm gonna chop up the onion. Let's see how much this makes first. And I just like to push it to the side while I portion everything else out. And crush the garlic. Get rid of the little end bits. And you can use a garlic mincer. Mine's in the dishwasher right now, so I will not be using that. But if to crush the garlic, you can actually just take the flat side of the blade, put in your palm, and push it down, and it crushes the garlic and removes the skins very easily. But I still like to cut off that little end bit. Seems like my cutting board needs some rubber feet on there. And to mince it a little bit more, you just want to push the blade down, push it against the garlic, kind of like you're smashing it, and just finally chop it. Really do need some rubber feet on this. Okay, let's go ahead and push that to the side. And we have our onion and garlic. With the cilantro, I only use the leaves of the cilantro, not the stems. So we're gonna go ahead and pick off the leaves. My hands are really sticky from that garlic. I feel like Chevy Chase in Christmas Vacation. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go back to go wash the garlic off my hands. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and chop the cilantro. And I will put the measurements in the description But really, it could just be personal preference. If you want more cilantro, add more. If you want more garlic, add more. If you want less, a lot of people like a little bit less garlic than that. Our family, we just love garlic. And with jalapenos, if you're sensitive to the oils, you might want to wear gloves during this. I do like to get the seeds out. That'll make it really hot. And my family doesn't do hot very well. I like it, but you know, we all enjoy it together. And you might even want to wear eye protection. There was one time when I was cutting up a jalapeno and some of the juice flew up in my eye, and that was not pleasant at all. Okay, so the lime. To get most of the juice out of the lime, or to get it out a little bit more easily, I roll the lime. So I'll show you on the surface. You roll it and you push it down, and then it just makes it, I guess, a little bit more flexible, so the juice comes out a little easier. Okay, let me go ahead and get a bowl to mix all of this in. Not much juice came out of there. I'm not sure if you could see that, but that's all right. Okay, so we don't, whoops. All right, so we go ahead and we put the tomatoes in the bowl. Along with, I squeeze the lime. I like to use a whole lime. You might want to just taste it after one to see if that's your preference. But we do like a lot of lime. Let's go ahead and add everything in there. We got the jalapeno, the cilantro, the garlic, the onion. And then I like to add some salt. Let's go ahead and start mixing. I should probably mix this in a bigger bowl. I wasn't really thinking. We'll go ahead and we will put this in the fridge to chill.